Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can download OpenCode CLI in your PC. This is really simple. Let me show you step by step. First, you have to go to the browser. So let's go to the browser and type here OpenCode. So basically OpenCode is a single word. So OpenCode CLI GitHub. And here you can see we have github.com and SST OpenCode. So you have to open this link, okay? So go to this link. And here you will find, if you scroll a little bit down, here you can see this is the OpenCode interface. I mean how it will actually look like. And here you can see this is the installation process. And here you can see we have here package managers option. Here you can see. So we are going to actually run this code. I mean, we are going to run this line, okay, in our command prompt, and the OpenCode will be installed. But here you can see we have npm. It means we need to download Node.js in our PC. Without Node.js, we cannot run this code npm, okay? So you have to check that if you have Node.js installed in your PC or not. So go for the command prompt and type here node-v. Here you can see I got the version here. It means I have Node.js in my PC. If in your case, if you don't see this, it means you have to install Node.js in your PC. All right. So how to install this? Let me show you. Just go to the Node.js org, and here you'll find Node.js org. So just go to the link and click here get Node.js, and from here select any long-term support version. Here you can see current version is 25. I will recommend you to go with the long-term support. So select this and then click here .msi, and after that you have to just install it. Okay, that's it. Now we have Node.js in our PC, and now we have to actually copy this command. Copy this and go for the cmd. Here right click on it, okay, and here you can see npm i-g opencode -ai at latest. Hit enter to install OpenCode in your PC, and here you can see it's working, and we have to wait for some time to complete the whole process. Now to check if you have OpenCode or not, so go for the command prompt once again and say here OpenCode. Hit enter, maximize it, and here you go. So we have successfully installed OpenCode in our PC. Now if you give here any prompt, you'll actually do rest of the work for you. So that's it guys. If this video is helpful for you, please make sure to give a like and subscribe to the channel for more videos like this. Thank you so much for watching.